Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am joined by the beautiful Alina, who's our model, and Cass, who is my fellow photographer friend that I happen to live with in London. We decided that it would be fun to do a little shoot where we use this backdrop that is behind us, and we are going to be doing three things. We're going to be shooting with direct sunlight, backlit, and Cass is also going to be using a studio light, and you guys will be able to see how all the different photos look. Before we get into this video, first make sure to check out the girls. I'm going to link them down in the description below, and please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell button to not miss any of my future uploads. And let's get right into the video. We're gonna start this as a first look. The light is coming straight through the window. We have a really gorgeous natural light, and we'll see what the settings are like. I should be shooting here first. That's really nice. It's very harsh already. That's really lovely. We just need to get you so your face is not in the, I think there's like a flower or something there in the shot, so beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. So we have like the really nice, the light is really lovely right now because it's kind of, it's not cutting us off too much. That's really lovely. Yes, that's gorgeous. The photos in today's video were edited using my light medium preset pack. I settled for 4+ because I thought it was the most beneficial to the photo. I did adjust a few things. I made the image a tiny bit brighter. I made the darks a bit darker because I thought that they were a bit too washed out. And I made the image a tiny bit more magenta overall because I thought it would look a bit nicer. If you do like what you see, make sure to check out my website. It's anitasadowska.eu. You can get a little discount code in the description, and happy browsing. And now let's get back into the video. So I shot a few photos on the 100mm, which is really nice for beauty. I do love shooting natural light beauty with it. It looks really good, and the sharpness is insane. I was shooting on f4, so it's not like super, it's a bit shallow depth of field, but it's actually really nice. It looks beautiful. And then I'm back to my 24-70. I'm shooting on like 35-50. That's beautiful, I love that. Yes. Look at yours. That's really nice. Yeah, we have some really nice, the windows are a bit dirty, so we're getting like this little texture. You see? Like, yeah, that's really lovely. And try and like elongate your feet just yes, they're kind of like pointed down. Perfect. Yeah, that's beautiful. Gorgeous. Yeah, so this is like a 35-pound studio setup, which is amazing. Because the sheet, the big sheet, it was like 10 pounds. That's really lovely. Yeah, I love that. That's so nice. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. So yeah, so as I said, this this setup is actually really good because the light stands are like 25 pounds on Amazon, which is like around $30, and then the sheet was $10, which I think is really good value. So you can pretty much, if you have access to natural light in your place, you can pretty much have a studio for like $30, which is amazing. She might try. So I'm just trying to see if it's like, if I'm a bit from the side, you know, I need to go under the table. This is the entertainment people have subscribed for. Hello. Good morning. How are we doing? Oh, it's very comfortable. That's actually really cool. Could you like lean down, like here? Yeah, that's beautiful. I love that. This is such a dramatic light. I love it. It's just beautiful. So remember, when you're exposing for skin, you always underexpose, and then you can brighten it up rather than the other way around. Yeah, that's beautiful. Actually, I kind of like when your face is kind of almost like half. Yeah. Let's see how that looks. You can be a tiny bit more, so your eye. Yeah. Perfect. That's actually really cool. It's really yeah, that's nice. Oh, I love this pose as well. It's really cool. Yeah, that's lovely. Beautiful. Yeah, it's really nice. that's gorgeous. So I'm gonna change my settings quite drastically now, obviously, because we're in the shade. So I'm gonna go to like 400 of a second and see how it looks. It's so dark in comparison, it's funny. Okay, I'll do 250 and 2.8. Yeah, it's nicer. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, I'd actually love to try and see. Can we just move you here into the shade? I want to see what the shade looks like. So now we're shooting backlit. We have the light behind us. Yeah, it's just so lovely and soft. It's like really nice. Gorgeous. Yeah, that's really nice. Oh, that's so beautiful. I love this. Just need to bring my ISO up a tiny bit. Beautiful. Actually, what you just did with the leg, with it being crossed, yeah, gorgeous. Yes, beautiful. Love that. Yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous. Nice, that's lovely. Let's see, that's gorgeous, but I want to shoot up here, I think. Maybe you just scooch back a tiny bit this way. Perfect. Yeah, perfect, that's fine. So now we're moving from here, we're shooting backlit. It's really nice and soft. It just looks so beautiful. Yeah, that's gorgeous. So I really like the fact that because the light is going through this window here, we're still getting a very nice soft light on the back of our gorgeous model. Yeah, oh my God, so beautiful. It's kind of like a window light, but just nicer. So gorgeous. That's going to be so beautiful. Cool. Yeah, that's perfect. That's really nice. So we decided to get some more backlit shots here because we just really like the setup. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. Can we get you a bit more this way? Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, I wish the backdrop was a bit higher, but yeah, that's really lovely. Can I get your hair to the back? So it's kind of like, yeah. Nice. That's gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Beautiful. Nice. Yeah, beautiful. And sorry, just a tiny bit of hair here because it's just, yes, gorgeous. Just like, yes, beautiful. That's gorgeous. I'm just taking some close-ups, and the backdrop is just really nice with the backlight. That's amazing. And maybe just one next bit more straight onto me, just and yeah, and just move ever so slightly this way. Perfect. Thank you. And just straight on with your upper body.
Okay, so because we were shooting backlit, but I want to do some kind of beauty style images, I've brought in an artificial light to kind of shoot some flash, so that way we can still kind of keep in the kind of dappled backlight, but also up the aperture so that we've got sharper skin for shooting beauty. Kind of want the catch light a little bit bigger. So it just brings in a little extra catch light underneath in the eye. It also reflects back the light so that there's not so much shadow under the chin. Stunning. Gorge. Gorgeous. That's stunning. Thank you. And just underneath. Just rest on your legs if that's okay. Thank you. Yeah, these are good. Yeah, that's beautiful. Gorgeous. So I still wanted to shoot backlit, but I wanted to just have a tiny bit of fill light. So I've got this set to the lower setting, and I'm just going to see how it looks. But I really want to be further away. And then I lied about not wanting the reflector. So just scoot it. Thanks. I'm actually shooting a little bit further down, so if yeah. And then, do you mind going on your knees again, if that's okay? Mm-hmm. On your knees again?
Yeah, sure.
Gorgeous. That's stunning. Bear with me, I just want to be a bit further back. Sorry, Anita, you might need to move it again. That's gorgeous. Gorge. Cool. I think I've got what I wanted.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and the photos. Let me know which look do you like the most. Do you like the direct sunlight, do you like the backlit, or do you like the studio? Also make sure to check out the girls. Thank you so much for being in the video.
You're welcome.
And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.